Changing your furnace filter is one of the quickest and easiest ways to improve the effectiveness of your heating system, while also purifying the air in your house. Basic furnace filters are designed to trap dust, dirt, and airborne particles before they can get into the system, and potentially damage the fan or the heating coil. Higher quality filters do the same thing, but they may also improve your home's air quality by catching germs, pollen, mildew, and mold spores. A simple 1-inch fiberglass furnace filter should be replaced every 1 to 2 months, while a 4-inch media furnace filter should be replaced every 6 to 12 months. If cleaned every 3 to 4 months, electrostatic furnace filters last the longest of all. The most basic type of filter consists of fiberglass enclosed in cardboard that is generally 1 or 2 inches thick. The fiberglass inside captures bigger dust and debris particles. These filters, see our links below to purchase, rated MERV 4 or less, are intended to be replaced after 1 to 2 months of use. Any filter less than a MERV 4 is not recommended by the elite homeowner. Yes, a filter is installed, however, only traps larger particles. A disposable pleated paper filter is a big step up from the basic filter, removing tiny particles of dust, dirt, and pollen. MERV 8 air filters, see our links below, are more expensive, but are built to trap everything a fiberglass filter traps, and also traps impurities in the air that a fiberglass filter cannot. If your home has pets and/or allergies, the filters should be replaced every 2 months, regardless of what MERV-rated filter you install. Electrostatic filters, which are designed to catch even smoke and the tiniest airborne particles, are the most costly filters. Electrostatic air filters, which use internal elements that can be cleaned with a garden hose or in the dishwasher, can last for many years if properly maintained. It is recommended that the inner elements be cleaned every 4 months and every 3 months if your home has pets and/or allergies. To review, fiberglass filters, which are not recommended, should be replaced every month. Pleated filters should be replaced every 2 to 3 months, depending if your home has pets and/or allergies. 4 to 5 inch thick filters, referred to as media filters, should be replaced every 6 to 12 months, depending if your home has pets and/or allergies. And electrostatic filters should be cleaned every 3 to 4 months, depending if your home has pets and/or allergies.